Viability means ability to survive. And virulence. Virulence means that pathogen is able to cause disease. The pathogen is able to cause disease. That is called virulence. Then antigenic nature. The antigenic nature means that pathogen is able to induce our immune system. So majorly the pathogen has these three properties, that is viability, virulence and antigenic nature. Viability is nothing but ability to survive, and virulence is nothing but ability to cause disease. Antigenic nature means the pathogen is able to induce our immune system. The pathogen is able to induce our production of antibodies. So all the pathogens are able to induce our antibodies. So that is the major properties of the pathogens. Okay, clear. So then now we are going to learn the different types of vaccines. So in the first one is live attenuated vaccine. Live attenuated vaccine. So already we learned the pathogens having three properties. Okay. So in this live attenuated vaccine, so that means the pathogen, it must be in living condition. That means the viability is there in the pathogens. So, but these vaccines developed by eliminating the virulence. With retained viability and antigenic nature. So what we are doing here? So we are removing. What we are removing here? We are removing virulence. That means the disease causing agent. The disease causing agent is removed in these pathogens, but retaining the viability and antigenic nature. So here we are retaining viability. So viability means living condition. So that's why the live attenuated vaccines are long-lasting vaccines. They are long-lasting vaccines because these are the viable vaccines. Long-lasting vaccines. Okay. So, example for this live attenuated vaccine, that is a Sabin vaccine. And also called oral polio vaccine. Sabin vaccine or oral polio vaccine. So, it is an trivalent vaccine. So, this trivalent vaccine is prepared by using three different strains. It is using by three different strains of poliovirus. So it is a trivalent vaccine. It is a oral polio vaccine. So that means this vaccine is administered into the body by orally. So that's why it is called oral polio vaccine. Okay. And then the second example for this, anthrax vaccine. So anthrax vaccine, it provides protection. Anthrax vaccine provides protection against the anthrax. So this virulence is removed by the the cultivation at the high temperature. The cultivation at high temperature, it loses its virulence. So at cultivation at the high temperature, the anthrax vaccine is loses its virulence. So all vaccines are there. We are removing virulence. So all vaccines are unable to cause diseases. Remember this. And then other vaccines are also there. The second type of vaccine is the killed vaccine. The second type of vaccine is the killed vaccine. The name itself is indicating killed vaccine. So the previous one is a live attenuated vaccine, and the second one is the killed vaccine. The name itself is indicating here the killed vaccine. So that means we are eliminating virulence and as well as viability also. We are eliminating virulence and viability. Only we are retaining only antigenic nature. We are retaining antigenic nature. So these vaccines are their killed vaccine because we are already removed viability, and these vaccines are unable to cause disease because we are removed virulence part also. But the vaccines are only having what? Antigenic nature. So because of this antigenic nature, these microorganisms, that means the pathogens, are able to induce our immune system. Then the production of antibodies takes place. So then thereby the disease will cure. So that is a killed vaccine. Example for this killed vaccine, that is a TAB vaccine or taboral vaccine. TAB vaccine or taboral vaccine. This taboral vaccine provides protection against the typhoid fever or enteric fever. Enteric fever like typhoid fever, and influenza vaccine. And Japanese B encephalitis vaccine. Japanese B encephalitis vaccine. So these are the killed vaccine. And also another one is also there. There is a pertussis vaccine. The pertussis vaccine provides against the pertussis.